ಇದು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ?
ಮೊದಲು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು, ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಕಾಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ varicose. So what is happening, that blood is pooling down only and it is not going up. It's almost developing a varicose ulcer. You can see this part. And then why there is discoloration means there will be hemosiderin deposition. The iron will start depositing here only. So skin color will be from red to black, it will become. If you don't treat it and allow the blood to settle there, it will lead to venous ulcers. The vessel keeps getting filled with more and more blood, it will give way and it will bleed also. So here and only is developing venous ulcer. The treatment is limb elevation in early stage. Stockings he has to use, limb elevation. All that in early stage if he does means it will be helpful. Now almost it's very difficult. He has to do dressing. Once the ulcer is there, debridement has to be done. Skin grafting will be required. It will be very difficult. ನರ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಒಂದು 7-8 ವರ್ಷ.
ಓಕೆ. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದು ಕ್ರೇಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿವು.
ಅದು ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲೂ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ,
ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಈ ಕಾಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಈ ಕಾಲ್
ಇದೇನು ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
So this is the scars. This is called perforators will be there. This all the scars. So perforator incompetence with the main greater saphenous vein also will be incompetent. So all that has been stripped off and that's all.
It's still here, huh?
Yeah. No, actually the vein will have problem from saphenous junction only.
Okay. And that is saphenous opening.
Saphenofemoral junction.
Fascia is there.
What is
fascia?
Yeah.
ಏನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗೆ
ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಉರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಇದು
ನೀವು ಕಾಲು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಹೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ. So once the blood supply is not happening properly, his skin will get damaged, his nails will get damaged. Almost nothing much will be done.